We're on our third leg today.
Yes.
We have been to Houston, we have been to Pechanga, and now we're here in the Bay Area, San Francisco. Maraming salamat po for coming out tonight. And we had such an incredible run across Frankfurt, Madrid, and Paris for our European leg. And just last week, I can't believe we're going home soon, but we started this last week in US tour now for Showstoppers.
It was very short but also very sweet. But we're also
Yes.
looking forward to more legs hopefully in the future. We're just very, very thrilled but to be here in the Golden State. Diba? And thank you to our beloved Kapamillas po here in California for the overwhelming love at our sold out show last night also at the Pechanga Casino and Resort at Temecula po yesterday. Thank you so much. If you guys had family yesterday that watched, maraming salamat po. All our love and appreciation of course to ABS-CBN events and of course the Filipino channel TFC. Let's please give them a big round of applause for making all of this possible. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, I feel like we got to know each other more than sa
I know.
Parang
Super.
ang tagal na natin magkasama, but of course, it's different being together for 2 weeks straight.
Yes, and I think for us also, parang it's kind of weird. We realize how much me and Darren are just like we mirror each other so much.
The same person.
Literally
Yes.
something. Nakulangan na ako ng hype, pero ayun, we can't have it all. We can't have it all. Mabawi naman si Lord siguro sa buhok.
Yeah.
Ayun, so we're just very, very thrilled na this whole tour, this whole concept happened, and of course we're so super grateful to TFC for just making it all happen. And now we're here at the Bay Area and we're ready to do it all over again, and maybe even louder tonight. Mas todo pa! We're gonna make this the best crowd! Yes! Let's try! Bigyan natin yan!
Yes!
Oh, diba? Oh, yes! Ikaw, Darren, I actually wanna ask first, pangilang time mo na to perform here in the Bay Area, San Francisco?
I feel like 4 or 5 times. Actually, I had one of my first concerts here sa Fox Theater. Like after the Voice Kids, I did a US tour, and Fox Theater was the first one I performed in for the Bay Area. So that was
Are you guys
11
there?
years ago.
Yeah,
11 years ago. So
After
yeah.
the Voice.
Yes, after
Pero
the
panahon
Voice
yun,
Kids.
dito pa siya. Dito pa siya sa mga like shoulder area. Ngayon, wala na.
Yeah.
Wala na.
Ayun.
Wala.
So it's really nice to reminisce.
I
Ikaw,
know.
Ate Lori.
For me, I mean, I always love being able to come back dito sa Bay Area. And I mean, like, California is very vast and very wide. There's so much to do also. But specifically, I feel here in like the San Francisco area, marami ka talaga pwedeng gawin, di ba? Go to the pier, of course, look at the and enjoy the bridge, di ba? Golden State Bridge.
Lapit ka rin sa mga Napa Valley.
Yes!
So much dyan.
Oo, di ba? With your loved one. Ayun,
Yes.
perfect. Tulad po nitong susunod po na gusto naming awitin po para sa inyo. I would also like to know, sino ba dito yung mga kasama nila yung mga
Loved ones.
honeydew? Wow! Sweetie Pie! Yung mga baby nila, sino ba dito yung mga kasama nila yung loved one nila?
Well, nahihiya ako magtaas ang kamay.
Represent the crowd!
There are a few.
Diba? O meron, sino naman dito yung mga ano? Siyempre, di naman pwede may mali. Sino naman dito yung mga single? What? May mga single pa yung po. Ilan na yung mga ano, single and ready to mingle? Baka ito na yan, guys! Ito na talaga yan.
But of course, we also love to sing. Mga Filipinos, we love to do karaoke. Di ba po kayo po ba? Mahilig po ba kayo sa karaoke? Yes! So, this next song that we're about to sing is one of our karaoke favorites. It's an OPM classic.
Yes.
And of course, again, like we promised earlier, we promised to bring you guys world-class entertainment tonight, right here in the legendary Fox Theater. So,
Yeah, just sit back,
Yes.
relax, and enjoy the show. This next song po is, of course, dedicated to all of you. Hope you all enjoy this song. Thank you.